Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a new news come from Jio that Jio will going to launch 100 million low cost budget smartphones in by December because Jio has a big number of EasyPad users, those Jio phone users, those are simply basics iOS phones which runs on Jio SIMs only, and Jio wants to upgrade those customers to a Android, the budget segment Android phone, and they targeted over 100 million of number of people. They want that all of the Indians were to be in the 4G segment, 4G to 5G, and Jio also going to announce 5G network soon, very soon. And in this way, Jio will going to give a very good competition in the market, and where Jio comes, the market will one-sided, and he rules one-sided. This is a short note that I want to tell about you here. This is, and I will give you the basics. Thank you, friends.